Okay, so I don't have a lot of time to do this video because I have a lot of videos, but this is how rainy is outside. So yeah, I just saw the lightning and there we go. You can see it now. I already got myself wet over here. Oh, I'm not going outside because it's so wet. Up top. It's very rainy. And then I bloom this here too. The grass are wet. And he's watching Spider-Man. Okay, I think now you can see it from here. It's very small. In one of my videos that I did, I showed you how it was little rain, but now it's hard. And she's playing Color Switch. Show you the rain. I don't know if you can hear, but it's going. So we're about to go run through the rain and come back inside and see what's gonna happen. So, and these are the squishies she made.
Let me squish one for you. I let the professional do it. Give me. Not touch it.
Okay. It's really dark in here, but it doesn't matter because we only have one of the lights open. Very shiny.
This is the brownie squishy.
I already showed them that one.
A pineapple squishy.
That's not a pineapple, but that's a
panda squishy.
One of the pineapple squishies are in here.
Then this is the...
Comment down below if you want to see me and her make a squishy together. So, comment that down below.
You can't be touching other people's stuff.
And she's about to do it. And she's gonna do a video of squishy packaging. So this is gonna be behind the scenes. A squishy package. He wants to brush his teeth. What's so funny?
He wants to brush his teeth at this time.
You brush his teeth.
Here you go. No. So he's brushing his teeth. He's not really brushing his teeth. He's just eating the toothpaste.
And that's not good. You know, 3-year-olds in the thingy, it says don't let under 2 to 3 eat toothpaste. I was reading toothpaste directions.
It says 2-year-olds. He's not 2. He's 3.
Well, he's still 2. He just turned 2.
Or under 6. I'm not 6. I am 9. So.
You just turned 3, so...
Not just. 2. It was July the 9th, and it passed July the 9th. So it was just not just. It's okay, Jess. See, he just eat the toothpaste.
That's not good. It says, no...
That he washed his hands.
Toothpaste is poisonous.
No. Okay, you guys are going to read what it says. Blooms in. Okay.
It says poisonous, doesn't it, guys?
No, they can't see this. This is okay. Let me read it. It says at least twice a day. Oh no, adults and children 2 years old, so they can use it. Just can't swallow it.